Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to explore attractions on the Great Wolf Lodge application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then go to your home page by tapping on the home button down below in the left side corner, and then scroll down a bit and click on the Explore Attractions button, which is the second option in the middle of the screen. So here you can browse among these options according to dates that you can select in the middle of the screen. So tap on a date, and then as you scroll down you can check out the new attractions. So click on an event. Here you can see the description in the show more section. The pictures are attached to the top, and as you scroll down you can see when it is due, so you can see date and time and the location as well. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.